going to show you how to make the foundation half double crochet. So we always start with a slip knot, then we're going to chain 2, and we are going to yarn over and go through the first chain. We try to go to 2 loops for the first one instead of just one. So go through the 2 loops, yarn over, and then chain 1. Then you're going to have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, you're going to go through that chain you just made. You pull through 1, and then you're going to have 3 loops on the hook. After that, that's your half double crochet basically. So if we do it again, yarn over, you're going to do your chain, so you go through the previous chain, then you do your new chain, you go through just 1, that's not good, so be careful. 3 loops on the hook, and then you do your half double crochet, so you pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, go to that chain, do your new chain, and then your half double crochet. So that's what you're doing. You're creating your first chain, and then you're doing the actual half double crochet. So here you go, and you just go again and again.